Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add cinematic color grading to your videos. Let's get started. Here I have completely raw footage of a cat. This is not color corrected or graded in any way. Let's go to the adjust tab. First, let's give this video more color. Click auto adjust and color correction. Put the auto adjust to something like 10 and the color correction to something above 80. I'm going to put it to 100. Scroll down and put the saturation to something like -10. Lower the exposure to something in between -5 and -10. Put the contrast up to around 10 or 20. Put the highlights to something like 20 and add some sharpen to add some clarity to your video. And for that cinematic movie look, add the vignette to like 5. Now go to the color wheel and turn the exposure for the shadows to something a bit lower. And here you can play with the HSL, curves and the color wheel, but I won't explain any of that in this video. I have a whole video dedicated just to color grading. So if you want to learn more about color grading, watch that video. But as you can see on the screen right now, I've added a cinematic color look to our video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.